Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the text size in Windows 11. So as you guys can see here, the text size on my Windows 11 here is like this. And if you want to change the size of it, you can do these steps. So first, go to the Windows right here, the Start option, Start menu, and go to Settings. And then here at the left panel, find the accessibility options. And here you'll find at the Vision section text size. So the text size that appears throughout Windows and your apps. Just click on that. And here is my text size right now. And if you want to change it, so this is the preview. You can see how it looks like when you change it, like in the box right here. Sorry. Okay, so you can just swipe it to the right to make it big, and swipe it to the left to make it smaller, like this. So I'm going to just change it into 110 like this, and click on apply. Okay, so now the text has been changed, the text size has been changed, and I think that's basically it, how you can change the text size on Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.